Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about, passive income. If you're looking to boost your earnings without being tied to a 9-to-5 job, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable content. Now let's explore the top passive income ideas for beginners. Let's jump right in. Introduction to passive income. Passive income is a game changer for financial freedom. It's about making money with minimal effort, allowing you to earn while you sleep. In this video, we'll explore 10 beginner-friendly ideas to kickstart your passive income journey. 1. High-yield savings accounts. Starting off with a classic, high-yield savings accounts. Learn how to make your money work for you by exploring different accounts, interest rates, and strategies to maximize your returns without any active involvement. 2. Dividend investing. Dive into the world of dividend investing. Discover how investing in dividend-paying stocks or funds can provide a steady stream of income over time, and we'll explore the basics for beginners to get started. 3. Create an online course. Ever thought about sharing your expertise? Creating and selling online courses is a fantastic passive income idea. Learn how to identify your niche, create valuable content, and leverage platforms to reach a global audience. 4. Affiliate marketing. Uncover the secrets of affiliate marketing. Find out how you can earn a commission by promoting other people's products. We'll discuss platforms, strategies, and how to choose the right products to promote. 5. Print on demand. Get creative with print on demand. Explore how you can turn your designs into merchandise without dealing with inventory or shipping. We'll cover popular platforms, design tips, and potential earnings. 6. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate is a traditional wealth-building tool. But what about real estate crowdfunding for beginners? Learn how you could invest in real estate projects with a minimal upfront investment and enjoy passive returns. 7. Create a blog or niche website. Building a blog or niche website is a classic passive income strategy. Discover how to choose a niche, create valuable content, and monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. 8. Automated dropshipping. Explore the world of automated dropshipping. Learn how to set up an e-commerce store without handling inventory. We'll cover product selection, marketing, and tools to streamline your dropshipping business. 9. Licensing your photography or art. If you're a photographer or artist, turning your passion into passive income is possible. We'll discuss licensing your work for various purposes, platforms to consider, and how to protect your intellectual property. 10. Peer-to-peer lending. Delve into the world of peer-to-peer lending. Discover how you can lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest in return. We'll explore platforms, risks, and potential returns. 11. Create a mobile app. Ever had a great app idea? Learn how to turn it into a passive income stream. We'll discuss the app development process, monetization strategies, and tips for success in the competitive app market. 12. Write and self-publish an ebook. If you enjoy writing, self-publishing an ebook is a fantastic passive income idea. Explore the steps involved, from writing and editing to publishing and marketing your ebook to a global audience. 13. Licensing your music. Musicians, this one's for you. Learn how to license your music for films, commercials, and other projects. We'll discuss platforms, contracts, and how to navigate the music licensing landscape. Conclusion and next steps. And there you have it, passive income ideas for beginners. The key is to choose an avenue that aligns with your skills and interests. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking to kickstart their passive income journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on financial freedom. Until next time, stay inspired and start earning passive income today. Check out our playlist for more financial tips and success stories. And as always, subscribe for regular updates. See you in the next video.